Hello everyone, welcome to Skyreels. So what's this AI tool all about? It's a tool that lets us visualize our stories and ideas, generating them with AI videos. It also lets us create shorts from a screen and script. How do we use this tool? Well, we simply search for Skyreels and go to the website, okay? As you can see, we'll enter the main page where we are. And if we want to log in to get credits and test out the tool a bit, we click on login and join with Google. Now we have 50 credits to test this tool and experiment with it. As you can see, we have some results like a monster destroying a city, right? We can view this short clip that we're looking at here. The camera changes and shots are cool. Everything's well generated. The movement of objects. Here we have what seems to be a sea monster, right? It's really impressive how it generates. So that's it. Alright, how can we create videos using Skyreels? Well, we'll start by accessing the AI tool we have here. After logging in with some credits, we'll go to the Generate Video section. There, we can easily create a video with Skyreels. We have various options to generate video using images or text. We can apply effects like hugs, kisses, movements, or turning into venom. We can use references, extend existing videos, or do lip syncing. Skyreels offers all these features, giving us many possibilities. So let's go to the image or text option. As you can see, we can set the first and last frames. We'll use text only, writing sea monster eating a boat as an example. As you can see, there's not much else to the configuration. We have auto mode with a maximum duration of 5 seconds. We can use the storyboard feature, but it generated it directly for me. Well, it's queued up. I guess it's the sea monster eating a boat. So let's see what it generates. It used 25 credits, which I didn't really want to spend. But let's see the final result after this generation process. While it's generating... Oh, look, it's just finished. Let's watch the video. There's the sea monster. Wow, it looks like a shark. And the boat's underwater. It's really cool, honestly. It's really awesome. Now I'll explain how the other tools work. It's basically the effects part where you set the first frame and apply the effect you choose. There's not much more to it when you create. Next, we have reference, where you upload 1 to 4 images of people, animals, objects, or scenes. It'll identify what's in each photo, like a wizard, pumpkin, or spaceship. Then describe movements and interactions. Say the wizard turns into a pumpkin, then a ship. It's a way to transition between images. Extend lets you upload a video and describe what happens next. Lip sync. Upload video, add text for the user to say choose narrator or lip sync, then pick the voice and its speed. Simple as that. How can you create your own video effect with Skyreels? So, what exactly is a video effect? Skyreels lets us use these effects like turning into venom, kissing, hugging, or dancing. The train effect basically allows us to train a Laura, right? And create our own effect. Got it? It's from Pagan, but how does it work? We upload many images of the same action, like 2 people hugging and so on, and with all these images and references, Skyreels learns what the AI needs to do to generate this effect, okay? My effects are here, but in trending, you'll see the popular ones, right? The ones I've shown you before, you know, like transforming into venom. There it is. See, you turn into venom, just like that. How can we generate images with Skyreels? Well, basically, we go to generate image. It's a new tool they've added, and it's pretty straightforward. We can describe what we want, like monster eating a sheep, for example. We can add a reference image, which is optional to give the AI a visual guide for what we want. We choose an image model, where we can select auto mode, an inspirational mode that uses creative and aesthetic settings, or a mode that creates a more accurate character based on references. Since there are no references, creative mode is suitable. Then we choose the style for our image generation. Let's say we want a realistic style, for example. Now we'll click generate. It only uses 3 credits out of the 50 given in the free trial. Let's see what it creates. It looks like it's generating 4 different images for us. Watch out, this could be big. Oh my goodness, look what it's created. Check out this sea monster about to devour the ship. Not bad at all. We can turn it back into video, by the way, or we can upscale or expand it, making the image larger. Here we have another sea monster. They're really cool, honestly. This one's a mix of crocodile and octopus. It's very cool, I like it. And this would be your typical deep sea creature. I mean, not surface, but from the depths. And that's it, simple as that. That's how powerful this AI tool is. Alright, in Skyreels, how can we generate a drama? Or basically, what would be a script? Well, within Skyreels, we go to generate drama. As you can see, it says start your creation with one click, and that's where it gives us inspiration. We could input our own script or upload our own script, our own novel. Here we select the number of episodes we want. We want 10 episodes as we're generating a script. What it's doing now is generating the novel for us based on the inspiration we've provided. And there we have a bit of the script. Look at how it lists the character names and also their actions and such. It's perfect, really. Now let's generate character. We'll create a character and it'll start generating them. I think it's working. It's generated the different characters. As we can see, they've appeared in the script. We can change their look. We can choose between the first and second option. This applies to all characters if we don't like them. Now let's generate storyboard. It asks for a balance, which I can't provide, but that's how we'd create a storyboard with Skyreels. It's that simple. Well, how can we generate music and sound effects with Skyreels? Let's go to all tools. Here we have text to music and AI sound effects. We'll select text to music first. As you see, we can choose instrumental or non-instrumental. We can pick a music reference and upload it. Here we'll specify what kind of music we want, okay? First, we describe the music. Style, theme, got it. Maybe the instruments too. Then hit generate, okay? I can't do it now, okay? I'm out of credits, but that's how the music generator works, simple as that. Then we have the sound effects generator. It's pretty similar, all right? We describe the sound effect we want, okay? Say a bouncing ball. Where's it bouncing, right? On metal, it'll sound different than on grass. Let's set the duration. This is probably the most important part. If we say a ball bounces once on metal for 22 seconds, that's clearly impossible. The ball will bounce for a second, tops, right? So we should set a time of 1 second. This is crucial as AI gets confused with very long or short times. It won't do it right. It'll get messy. Okay, not much else about the tip. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, let's finally take a look at Skyrim's payment plans. Overall, Skyrim's offers many tools like video generator, image generator, lip sync, text-to-speech, video editor, and more. Personally, I found it to be a very comprehensive AI tool with excellent quality, so we're going to upgrade. The basic plan costs $8 per month, billed annually, and gives you 1,000 credits monthly. The free trial offers 50 credits. 1,000 credits isn't much, allowing 40 videos, 1,000 images, or 3 dramas. Not many dramas, but 40 videos for $8 is quite a lot, and 1,000 images too, especially given Skyrim's high quality. It offers fast track generations, allowing up to 4 tasks, unlocking exclusive features for commercial use. At $28 monthly, you get 4,200 credits, enough for 168 videos. You won't even use it all. Great price, and it lets us train a LoRa model, which is cool. Effects with LoRa, so that's really good. We can unlock 10-second video generation, not bad. Text to speech, text to music, AI sound effect, I like it. The Pro plan unlocks all features, lets us train our own LoRa for commercial use, and allows 10 tasks. At $76 monthly, it's pricier, but you can make up to 568 videos. That's a ton. So I hope you liked Skyrim's. I think it's an awesome tool. See you in future videos.